blessings when वो कहते हैं ना शुभ शगुन मानते हैं और भूमि नमस्कार स्वयं एक शुभ शगुन की बात है. Mr. Godrej, please can we have you? And of course the man who thought about the entire team, Mr. R. Balki is here. Can I also request Romanchak Arora if you don't mind? Romanchak, can we have you on the stage?
Romanchak Arora, the creative, the director,
Mr.
producer.
Roy of Hangama is here in a huge round of applause for you. Please can we have you also here? Shan ji आप आइए और अमन जी आप भी आइए यहाँ. Romanchak is as usual a very casual man, unlike me. हाँ, Rashi Khanna ji आप भी आइए यहाँ with on the left. So let me first tell you all that Mahanagar Palika, when it heard the theme which was curated by Mr. Balki, it lended us the support of offering us the logo of the Mahanagar Palika, the background support of the gardens, which was supported by Mr. Visputeji. Visputeji is our local H-West ward officer. Is he around here? A very, very big round of applause, sir. विस्पुतेजी की शिकायत रहती है कि हम अमूमन भूल जाते हैं उन्हें, जो हम कभी भूल भी जाते हैं. लो इस बार आपकी शिकायत कोई नहीं रहेगी सर. थैंक यू सो मच. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि सबसे पहले जो है हमारे जो मार्गदर्शक हैं मिस्टर गोडरेज, in a very short way, if you can explain a little bit of and on environment, I would like to begin with Mr. Godrej because he has been a great inspiration to us, a man who we look up and upon to for all our environmental endeavors, because Godrej as a corporate has been a very sustainable brand. So without taking a lot of time, I give Mr. Nadir Godrej Zordar Talyos. I can hear your voice. Zordar Talyos. A very big round of applause to Godrej. If I can also request Michelle to please come up on the stage. Thank you so much. And if I request my friend from Bistari, please, my dear friend, please come over. Rahul, na? So let me begin with Mr. Nadir Godrej saying a few words. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone, welcome. It is no longer Climate Day. Let's resolve to find a way. This year's issue, we understand, is preservation of our land. Now at Godrej, our CSR helps to take us very far. Multiple benefits is what one sees with water projects or growing trees. Good livelihoods are created, our carbon emissions are abated, different species can be tried, useful products can be supplied, like biomass or edible fruits, and yet the trunk and the roots can sequester carbon, clean the air, a win-win that is very fair. We have many kinds of biomass, groundnut shells, straw or bagasse, high-energy bamboos on the way. A major role it can play. The energy density is high. It's something that we need to try. Much progress we will see with the latest technology. If India is to achieve its goal, technology must play a role. The right incentives are what we need. If they're in place, we can succeed. Regenerative agriculture.
We actually spoke about the real work what Godrej industry is doing. Jackie Shroff ji.
सभी को सादर प्रणाम. स्टेज पे उपस्थित सभी बड़ों को मेरा प्यार. बच्चे लोग, आप लोग सुन रहे नहीं सुन रहे, देख रहे नहीं देख रहे मालूम नहीं. 50 डिग्री हुआ है, 60 डिग्री होने में टाइम नहीं लगेगा, जल के मरेंगे. अभी भी सुधर जाओ तो अच्छा है भाई लोग. अपने लिए नहीं, अपने छोटे बच्चे लोग आए उनके लिए झाड़ लगाने की कोशिश करो और दिमाग शांत रखो. कोशिश करो एनवायरनमेंट, जैसा बामला बाबा बताते रहते हैं, हर साल नहीं, हर 3 महीने में कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते, वैसे करते रहे वो. और आप लोग भी करो साथ में मिलके. एक का ही काम नहीं है, सबका काम है बॉस. We all are responsible for what we are leaving behind for the children. कोई इंग्लिश समझ में आता है, पीछे वाले को नहीं आता हो तो नहीं, खुद सुना तो सुना ठीक, नहीं सुना तो नहीं सुना, मगर झाड़ लगा रहे. देख कहाँ से झाड़ निकल रहे, बाहर देख ले. अगर अभी नहीं निकालेंगे झाड़, हर जगह से तुम्हारे झाड़ ही होना चाहिए. ऑटो रिक्शा में होना चाहिए, समझा? ऑटो रिक्शा भर के होना चाहिए. सब ऑटो रिक्शा में लगाओ, मैं तो बोलता हूँ. और मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि उनकी यूनियन से बात करके दे दूं. बाकी आप बड़े सब लोगों को, बाल्की साहब थैंक यू, शान सुपर, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू बॉडीज,
थैंक यू.
सबको बहुत बहुत प्यार. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र. जास्त टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही. झाडा लावायचं.
I request R. Balki ji, please, sir, few words on exactly the beautiful campaign which you created on Bhumi Namaskar.
I don't think I could have said it better than what Jackie has done. But I think just one thing, we all say namaskar to a lot of people, a lot of things every day. At least sometimes, let's just do namaskar to the earth. And that's all this campaign is. I hope you all know what has to be done. The number of things that need to be really urgently addressed. And Mr. Bamla will tell you this every 3 months, every day of the year. And I just want to say, the World Environment Day is not one day, it's every day of our lives.
Thank you, Mr.
Very well
Balki ji.
said.
It's my great pleasure, privilege and honor to be here this evening, and I want to thank Mr. Asif Bamla and the Bamla Foundation to give me this opportunity to be here this evening. My respects to all the dignitaries present here on the stage and off the dais as well. Let me just tell you a quick story that probably tells us what we need to do in regards to environment and our life as well. Once a teacher asked a class of 7-year-olds and gave them an assignment. The assignment was, he said, I want all of you to write a sentence. And the kids thought that's not a big deal. Yeah, but my condition is, it should be a sentence of 10 words. The kid said, that's not a big deal as well, writing a sentence of 10 words. The teacher said, but I want each word to be a 2-lettered word. If, be, to, me. So 10 words in a sentence, but each word to be only 2 letters. Now the kids were thinking it's a difficult assignment. And then the teacher said, most important of all, I want it to be a meaningful sentence. Otherwise you could say, if be, me, too, but. If be, me, too, is. The kids scratched their heads and they just couldn't come to a conclusion. And finally the teacher wrote on the board the first 5 words of the 10-worded sentence. If it is to be. If it is to be. And the kids were wondering what are the next 5 words of the sentence. And the teacher wrote on the board, if it is to be, and the next 5 words were, it is up to me. If it is to be, it is up to me, right? If we are wanting the environment to change, don't think the other person, our Jackie Dada says all the time, Jhad patti lagane ka bidu. Make some loud noise for Jackie Dada, guys. And he said so beautifully that it's not one person's responsibility, it is our responsibility together to make that change so the future will be bright. My congratulations to Balki sir and the entire team for coming up with the Bhumi Namaskar campaign. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your every statement, what you say is very thoughtful and we follow you. I request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please say a few words. On behalf of environment, she has been doing ये गांव-गांव जा करके लोगों के बीच में रह करके प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन हो उन सब का काम पल्लवी चौकसी मैम to please come on stage along with Vardhaman and Rishabh also.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have Ravina Tandon on stage.
Can I have the award of Ravina Tandon?
आप सभी जानते हैं that recently she's always been so inclined towards helping the community. कोई भी Bandra में any project, she's always the first person to come up. Recently there was also an incident with her driver where she stepped up and helped the driver. She is truly the image of courage in our Indian film industry. Ladies and gentlemen, please give Ravina Tandon a huge round of applause.
And the next award to Pallavi Choksi ji. आइए. Can I have the sapling also to be given? And this award by Mr. Nadir Godrej and all to Pallavi ji. Yeah, just yeah. Thank you so much. अब मैं Rishabh and Vardhaman Choksi to please join this. Few more palace station. I would request Mrs. Neha Jaktiani ji also to please come and receive the award from Mr. Nadir Godrej and Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji. Team Bestseller to please come up and receive the award from Bestseller. Team Mufti, Mr. Tushar Malhotra ji from Bistleri to please receive this award from Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadir Godrej ji from Bistleri. This award by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to Neha Jagtiani ji. Award to Mr. Tushar Malhotra from Bistleri by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadir Godrej to present it to Bistleri. Mr. Tushar Hiranandani to please receive this award if he's here, Mr. Tushar Hiranandani ji. And Mr. Subodh Runwal from Runwal Group are requested to please come on stage. Mr. Subodh Runwal, the chairman of Runwal Group, is requested to please come on stage. Mr. Subodh Runwal. Highback say we have Shreya to please receive the award. Shreya and Asif to receive the award from Highglow. To receive this sustainable award from Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, Everglow. Everglow. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to felicitate Mr. Inder Kataria. I will request Rashi Khanna ji to give away this award.
The other award
to HMA Group, to Mr. The Highback, please come. Mr. Danish Khan to receive the HMA award. Mr. Danish bhai, please आइए. HMA award for the Sustainable Partner of Bhamla Foundation.
and once again would request Ms. Rashi to kindly present this set of award as well.
And a very special award given to by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani.
We request Ms. Rashi to kindly present the award to Mr. Danish.
From Lalani Group.
Mr. Shan Lalwani from Vruksh. We request Mr. Shan Lalwani from Vruksh to kindly come on stage.
Mr. Subodh Runwal ji says big round of applause for the Runwal Group.
आप सबको बहुत प्यार भरा नमस्कार। आज मुझे यहाँ पे सम्मानित किया गया है। पहली बार एक ब्रेवरी अवार्ड मिला है, उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। लेकिन ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम सब में कहीं ना कहीं इंसानियत भरी पड़ी है और जहाँ तक हम सोचते हैं, चाहे हमारी भूमि हो या हमारे आजू बाजू के दोस्त हो या हमारे कर्मचारी हो या हमारे साथ रहने वाले लोग हों, हम यही चाहते हैं कि सारे सुरक्षित हों, साथ रहें, प्यार से रहें। और ये हमारी एक ही भूमि है, एक ही प्लैनेट है जो हमें आगे वाली पीढ़ियों को एक अच्छा हेल्दी प्लैनेट देना है। हमारे पास प्लैनेट बी नहीं है, यही है जो हमारी धरती है, आपकी है, मेरी है, हमारे आगे वाले बच्चों की है। तो प्यार और मोहब्बत से हम अपनी ये मातृभूमि को भी बहुत एक मोहब्बत ही नहीं लेकिन जैसे कहें कि उसे हरा भरा और स्वस्थ भी बनाए। हेल्दी प्लैनेट विल ऑलवेज हैव हेल्दी जनरेशंस अहेड। आपका सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू आसिफ बामला जी। एंड आई थिंक आप बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं। कहाँ गए आसिफ बामला जी? इनको मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी। मैंने ये जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट डे का फंक्शन है उसके जन्म से देखा है और आज तक, एंड इट ओनली गेट्स बिगर एंड बेटर एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू और आपकी मेहनत को। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, Ravina ji. I request Parvez Lakdawala
Parvez
ji
bhai
to
to
please
please
come
come
on
on stage.
stage. Parvez bhai, please आप stage पर आएं.
Yeah, but let us speak and then we'll.
जितने भी लोग स्टेज पे हैं उन सबको मेरा नमस्कार. आप सब लोग जो आए हैं आप सबको मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार. आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर द भमला फाउंडेशन who have called me here today. R. Balki sir, and congratulations for making this beautiful thing that I'm yet to see, but I'm sure it'll be amazing, something that we all need to see and learn from. भमला फाउंडेशन हर साल कोई ना कोई इनिशिएटिव करती रहती हैं, चाहे वो पेड़ पौधे लगाना हो या फिर बीचेस साफ़ करना हो, और ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो हमारी इन्वायरमेंट को बेहतर बनाती हैं. मैं भी अपने बर्थडे पे एक्चुअली एज अ ट्रेडिशन हर साल पेड़ पौधे लगाती रही हूँ, बट I feel like, as somebody said here today on stage, that Environment Day is not supposed to be just one day. It's supposed to be every day. We are supposed to celebrate the environment for all that it has given us. और हम इन छोटे छोटे वेज में इस planet को बेहतर बना सकते हैं अपनी future generations के लिए. तो बहुत ही खुशी है आज यहाँ पे इन सब के बीच होना. To be a small part of this initiative, and I hope we keep making and doing things that help our environment in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much and keep doing this beautiful work you've been doing. Yes, absolutely. Okay. Supporting this
A
very
very big
noble
round of
cause.
applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very, very big round of applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej. Thank you so much, Mr. Godrej, on all the work on sustainability that you've been doing. Shan, you remember we were talking about Mr. Nadir Godrej. So you are an inspiration even now to all the youngsters and everybody. We are so honored that normally Mr. Godrej, it's very difficult to, with his busy schedule, to remove a time. But sir, when he heard that the Honorable Commissioner is coming, and when he knew that we have the blessings of the Mahanagar Palika for a cause like this, he totally accepted to come here for this. Mrs. Chokshi, thank you so much, and hearty congratulations for all the good work you've done. Parvez bhai, Subodh bhai, आप पीछे हो लेकिन फिर भी नजर आते हो. हाँ, पीछे रहने वाले ज़्यादा नजर, तो थोड़ा सा आप आगे आइए. हमारे HMA के हमारे भाई साहब भी यहाँ आए all the way from Delhi. So all of them, and Shan, once again, हमारा main program तो 11 को. Let me tell you, this song of Bhumi Namaskar, आज आप लोगों ने उसका टाइटल और उसका जो पोस्टर है उसका अनावरण देखा है. इसकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस 11 को है एट दी हंगामा ऑफिस. सार्वजनिक रूप से मैं कह रहा हूँ, तो आपने सिक्योरिटी और व्यवस्थाओं का बंदोबस्त कर दीजिएगा. तो 11 तारीख को ये गाना का अनावरण है जिसमें अभिषेक, वरुण धवन सारे इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. शान ने बहुत खूबसूरत गाया. अमन, a very big hand to Aman. I would want Shan is a host, so Shan, you please give a sapling to Aman, because Shan को हम sapling दे ये मुनासिब नहीं है. तो Shan अपने मुबारक हाथों से अमन को सम्मानित करे, क्योंकि संगीतकार ही एक संगीत की लय को जान सकता है. और thank you so much Aman ji, this is a great thing. And thank you everybody.
Request you all to kindly come together for a picture, because
जी, please आप आगे आइए.
photographs memories होते हैं.
Well, Shan, in मध्य प्रदेश और आपने काफी अच्छा काम किया है. Thank you so much and congratulations. Can
Nadir Godrej will give away this special award.
Very nice. All right, let's understand. People who are here from Churchgate, from Sobo, South Bombay side, put your hand up and make some noise. ठीक है. तो आप मेरे 3 divisions समझ गए, right? We've got Sobo, we've got Bandra at the center, and we've got suburbs. हम लोग एक छोटा सा competition करते हैं before our next performance. I want to see कि कौन से हिस्से में सबसे ज़्यादा ताकत है. Let's start. I want all the Sobo guys to make some noise.
South Bombay, come on!
क्या बात है.